Have you ever looked at a skincare product and wondered, what's really going on in there? What's the secret sauce? Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain and dive into the science and the incredible results behind the Mary Kay TimeWise Miracle Set. So first things first, let's just bust a huge myth right now. What if I told you that most of those lines and spots you see in the mirror aren't actually just from getting older? What if the real bad guy was something else entirely? Something you're facing every single day? Okay, get ready for this number because it's a big one. A whopping 80% of visible skin aging is not caused by the natural ticking of the clock process. Seriously, only about 20% of it is just time marching on. That other 80%, that's coming from the world around us. And here they are. These are the real enemies of our skin. We're talking about UV rays, of course, but also blue light from our phones and computers, pollution, and even things like stress and a poor diet. Day in and day out, these things are just hammering our skin's defenses, leading to what we call premature aging. So, how in the world do you fight back against all of that? I mean, it's a daily battle, right? Well, you need a seriously smart, comprehensive defense. And that is exactly what the TimeWise Miracle Set was designed for, to be a full-on 3D defense system for your skin. Now, at the very heart of this system is the patented TimeWise 3D complex. And listen, this isn't some made-up marketing term. It is a scientifically proven powerhouse that fuels every single product with 3 critical dimensions of support. You can basically think of it as the ABCs for your skin. First up, A is for antioxidants. You can think of these as your skin's personal bodyguards. We've got ingredients like encapsulated resveratrol and vitamin B3 that get to work neutralizing all those damaging free radicals we just talked about, which really helps reinforce your skin's natural barrier. Next, B is for brightening. You know how all that environmental damage can lead to uneven skin tone and just kind of steal your skin's natural glow? Well, this complex uses vitamin B3, which is a total brightening superpower, to go after that unevenness and help you get your radiance back. And finally, C is for collagen. Now, here's a wild fact for you. Starting in your 20s, you produce about 1% less collagen every single year. This complex uses a special age-defying peptide and resveratrol to support your skin's own natural collagen, helping it to stay looking plump and feeling resilient. So, that's all the cool science behind it. But let's get to the good stuff. What does this actually mean for your skin? Let's look at the timeline of results because this is where things get really exciting. The cool part is you start seeing benefits from day 1 with a nice boost in hydration, but you gotta stick with it. By week 2, fine lines start to look a little softer. By week 4, you're seeing better radiance and texture. And then, by 12 weeks, that's when the really significant clinically measured improvements show up. And I'm talking about real numbers here. In a 12-week clinical study, an incredible 98% of people saw a 37% improvement in the appearance of their fine lines. That is a huge, visible reduction that nearly every single person in the study experienced. And it doesn't stop there. That same study found that 98% of panelists also saw a 51% increase in their skin's firmness. That means skin doesn't just look younger, it actually feels more resilient, more lifted. Okay, so what about the deeper stuff, like wrinkles? Well, 76% of people in the study saw a 20% improvement in how their wrinkles looked. I mean, the data is pretty clear. This system delivers measurable results across the board. So you're probably thinking, okay, a system this powerful has gotta be super complicated, right? Nope, not at all. Let's break down just how unbelievably simple it is to fit this into your day. Your morning routine, it's just 3 easy steps. First, you cleanse. Second, you hydrate with the antioxidant moisturizer. And third, and this is so important, you defend with the daytime sunscreen. That's it. You are protected and ready to go. Then, at night, it is just as simple. You cleanse again, but then you use the nighttime recovery, which helps your skin recharge while you're sleeping. And finally, you lock in all that goodness with the moisturizer. It's simple, it's effective, and it is powerful. Now, one of the things that's really interesting is that this isn't just about the products in the bottle. It's also about the whole experience, which is designed to be personalized just for you. I love this quote because it really gets to the heart of the philosophy. It's not just about selling you a product, it's about giving you the power to create a beauty experience that works perfectly for you. See, you connect with an independent beauty consultant, and that unlocks a ton of amazing benefits. We're talking personalized service, real advice for your skin, and even makeup tips. Plus, you get to try free samples before you buy, which is awesome, and you get access to special offers and bonuses you won't find anywhere else. So we've looked at the science, we've seen the incredible results, and we've talked about the amazing personalized service. This whole system is about defending your skin so you can feel confident and beautiful at any age. And with that personal support, you can make sure you never miss out on any of the benefits or awesome bonuses available. The only question left is, are you ready to make every age